So my name is Maeve Cooper, I'm from Cork and I am in final year animal and crop production. So in my degree, animal and crop production, I like the aspect I get to study both animal and crops. It's the most general degree of them all, and I suppose that's why I chose it. We got to study a broad range of subjects in first year, from physics to chemistry to statistics and economics, which is great. It really showed me what my strengths and weaknesses were. And I suppose in our course as well, we always also get to see the business side, so accounting and economics, as well as all the ruminants and the nutrition side and genetics. We get to do 30 weeks of professional work experience. I was fortunate enough to be able to go to America to see the dairy industry over there. I was working at a large dairy farm over there. We were able to go out with nutritionists, different vets and all that, so it was a great opportunity. As well as that, I was able to work with ICBF and Tagus, as well as going to different farms and experiencing, I suppose, sides of the industry that I never saw, such as pigs and stuff, and that was great. I suppose we're very lucky in this degree that we have a broad range of different jobs you can go into, from finance, accounting, to the industry, genetics, breeding. The scope is endless. I suppose for me, I do come from a farm at home and I do love that, but I just can't see myself staying at home farming full-time. Industry was where I want to go. So I kind of scoped my placement a lot around industry. This course has people from all over the country, from Dublin, from Cork like myself, from the west, from up north. It really covers a wide range of subjects, I suppose. It's great for people from a farm and also not from a farming background. They really teach you from scratch here. You have your practicals out in the farm as well, where you get to see live demos. And we also see the live running of a farm, which I suppose if you're not from a farming background, that is very beneficial. I was also lucky enough in second year to get the opportunity to go to Lyons Farm lambing as well. I had never lambed before, I had no experience with sheep at all, and it was great. I learned so much. I was working with PhD students down there as well, and other students in UCD. We learned lots here. We learned how to tube lambs, vaccinate ewes, how to assist in lambing. It was great, and it's great to learn from PhD students as well as lecturers. I suppose a big part of my experience here was being part of AgSoc. Since coming up from Cork, moving to Dublin, it was very daunting, but it was great. I joined AgSoc in first year and made such great friends. AgSoc is one of the largest societies in UCD, and it's great for people coming from all parts of Ireland. I suppose a lot of people from Ag are from rural areas, and it's great. We're like a big family in AgSoc. We hold numerous events throughout the year. I suppose one of our big ones is Ag Week that we hold in February. During this week, we have lots of different events. It's a jam-packed week full of agriculture-related events. So up and down just in front of the college, we all have tractor races. We also have social nights, so we go to Ryan's and Camden Street and have trad nights. We also have bands, headliners in that week. As well as this, we have an annual welly walk, which we walk from UCD into Camden Street, all in wellies, all wearing overalls, all check shirts, everything. So it's great. It really brings us all together. We have county colour nights, we have ag ball, we have many events throughout the year, and it really brings us all very close together.